How often do you clean your room? In all honesty, I'm trying to clean my room once a week for the coronavirus thing. Before that, I would take more time in cleaning my room because I sleep during the day. But how often do you clean your room? Maybe daily, maybe weekly. So why haven't you cleaned your body for like years? The shit that's going on inside you. Confused? Watch the video, you'll find out. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. My name is Kshitij and I help high performers build self-worth. People who feel like they need to be doing a lot of stuff out there. They need to I literally said stuff. They need to produce a lot, not reproduce. I said production. So the production, the output that they have, the amount of money that they're bringing to the table, the amount of success they have in the table, or the amount of fame that they have, they need to do more for that for them to feel good enough. Now the reason behind these are the core subconscious anchors that we try to release here on this page, on this channel, wherever you're watching me, by letting go of those subconscious anchors that are holding them down and make them feel like they're not good enough. And that's not true. We're going to talk about that. So for today's video, as I just said, how often do you clean your room? Now, let me give this example. So when we're growing up, certain bad things happen inside us, alright? Certain traumas happen. We go through shit. Maybe a father leaves us. Maybe we're beaten up while growing up. Maybe our family believes the thing of spare the rod, spoil the child. Maybe our needs are not met while growing up. Maybe we don't feel loved. Maybe there's been some abandonment, some abuse, some neglect, some entanglement. We've been burdened with a lot of stuff, certain responsibilities. So what happens is all the pain while we're growing up, it's too much. So what we do now, let's assume this room. When there's like a lot of garbage, we put it in that corner. You see that corner behind me, we just throw it there. And then when we do it for days and days and days, and then we start doing it for months and years, that corner is going to start to pile up. If that corner is going to start to pile up, it might just start to smell as well, because we're putting in all kinds of garbage and all kinds of shit in that corner. Now it's going to start smelling. So what do we do? You know, one thing is we could get our hands dirty, take out the trash. No. But that's not what we do. What we do is we get a room freshener. We spray it out there. Oh, it's smelling good. Nice. Great. So we keep on adding more shit. Keep on adding more shit. Keep on adding more shit. We don't know what's going on inside. We don't know what the hell is happening in the room. Now this entire area gets filled. This entire area till here. Alright. Now it's smelling a lot. What do we do? More room freshener. And what else can we do? It's not looking great. What do we do? Let's cover it up. Let's make a cupboard on this shit. Let's cover it up. So we cover it up. Then more years go by. You're 10 years of age, you're 15 years of age, you're 20 years of age. Turns out, now almost 70% of your room is full. And you still can't do anything about it. Why? Because the habit patterns have been formed. And what do? I just stuff shit here. And breaking out of that takes a lot of courage and a lot of understanding, a lot of awareness to even like understand that thing is there. So naturally what we do is we start covering it up even more. We start putting more room fresheners and everything. And now a point has come where there's no space in the room for me to exist. There's no space for the room for any of us to even exist or even step foot, because anything inside is just so polluted. So we just close down the room. What can we do now? We're just going to close down the room. And metaphorically, that could mean that if there's no space inside us, there's so much pain inside us, so much of dirt inside us, and we can't use anything to numb ourselves. We cannot use the alcohol, the drugs, the social media, the fame, the masturbation, the pornography, the amount of money we're earning, the recognition, the production, the output. We can't do all that stuff. What is really left? The thing is, you might not be at that place of 100% inside everything is fucked. You might be at a place of 70%. And now the thing is really starting to smell because you don't have space inside yourself. And whatever you're doing, whatever substances you need to escape or numb yourself, you need to double that. You need to just increase it more and more and more. And now it's reached a point where you just cannot tolerate it. So if you have the core belief that I am not good enough, then just think to yourself, how much of that is really changed by all this superficial stuff and all this materialistic chase that you've gone out there? How much of that inner voice has really changed? So if for so many years you've tried your best and it hasn't changed, nothing has changed. So what makes you think that going ahead from here, things are going to change? They're not. They're not going to change. So the solution is something else. So now let's go back to the example of I have a room out here and the room is full of garbage. What do I need to do? Firstly, I need to be aware that there is something wrong here. I need to accept that there is something wrong. And for that, I need to take off the blinds. I need to take off all the defense mechanisms, the cupboards that I've created, the layers that I've put on. Okay? I need to take that off and then let it smell. It's gonna be painful, but I have to do that. So I take it off and then I see, oh my God, this is the stuff that I have inside me. Then step number 2 is going to be of letting go of all of that pain and those subconscious anchors inside you. So you will have to get your hands dirty. It will be smelling, it'll be very unpleasant. It's going to get fearful, it's going to get crazy, but you have to do that. Alright, one life, you got to do that. So you start to take shit out. It's difficult, but slow and steady is gonna get better. Even if, let's say, it's very difficult, but you take out just one piece of trash, that is still a better situation than you covering it up, because now you're making progress. And tomorrow you can take out another one, and then you can take out another one. Slowly and slowly, you can chip away the entire mountain. Slowly and slowly, you can clean the entire room, and then you can put on that room freshener. And once you clean all that stuff, that's when things like affirmations come into play. That's when things like gratitude and things like normal breath awareness meditation comes into play. And that's when you can really start to enjoy your life, start to enjoy this experience of yourself, of being in your body, of being the person that you are, and accept yourself 100% wholeheartedly. Let go of everything that is not yours. Now, this is a difficult process. You might not know a lot of things about it as well. If you need help with it, I'm putting down my call scheduling link below. If you want to talk to me, you want to have a conversation about this, you want to work with me in person, you can click on that link, schedule a call with me. I'm going to bring you clarity about the stuff that you're going through with. So if it feels like I can really help you out with it, I'm going to make you an offer. If not, we're going to get off the call guilt free. Alright? Schedule a call. I look forward to talking to you. And if you like the video, you know what to do. Like the video, leave a comment, and then send it to a couple of your friends. That's going to be all from my side. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button. You spank it, smash it, demolish it. I'm going to see you guys soon. It's Kshitij signing off. Peace. Peoples.